How to send video on Google Drive in Android. So if you want to send videos on Google Drive in your Android, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Drive application. Make sure that you have an internet connection and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, after logging in, for example, if I want to share a file or a video, then what I can do is just simply go with the three dots, which is on the file, upper right side of the file. And here you will have share option. Tap on share. Once you tap on share, then you can just simply go with the people that you would like to share. You can also add some emails, or you can add the group names, and the person will be shared, right? Or you can also just simply tap on the not shared, which will be on the bottom, and here you need to go with restricted. Under restricted, you need to tap on change and tap on restricted again and go with anyone with the link. Once you selected anyone with the link, you need to go with the top right, which has that copy link section. So tap on copy link, and under copy link, you need to just go with the bottom side, go with the drop down, and you can select viewer, commenter, or editor. So I'll just simply choose viewer. After that, copy link, and after copying the link, now you need to go back and send that link to your messenger or any other application that you want to. For example, I'll just simply choose messenger and send. Now if the other person taps on it, then they'll be able to use the video that you've sent on Google Drive. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.